Thank you, Max, for that marvelous introduction. I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. Hey guys, welcome to Whatever Wednesday. Today I'm gonna do a simple Halloween makeup look. I hope you enjoy it. It's super basic, super simple, so yeah, let's just jump right into it. But first, so I usually prep all my makeup first, but I figured I would go through all the steps. So I have Maybelline New York Fit Me. It's a primer with clay. It's for normal to dry, oily skin. I would say my skin gets pretty dry in especially in the winter time. Yeah. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. For the longest time, I never used primer, and now for some reason, I can't live without primer. My makeup just feels so much better. By 100%. So and you don't even need to apply a lot of primer on your face, you just need to get the basics. I do just a very thin coat of primer all around makeup way, where you just do kind of dots on your face. So I'm going to use my mirror and or my finger, and I'm going to put dots kind of all over. And I'm actually going to use my blender, which I really love. If you don't have a makeup blender, definitely get one, because these are the best. My everyday makeup routine as well, so it kind of gives you an idea when I do put makeup on for the day. This is what I do. I started to use concealer, which I find very, very helpful, just to get the spots that are more difficult, and then I can now this one I actually will use my brush to blend it in. Or just your hands too, could be easier, just do a quick blend with your hands. My eyeshadow base, which I always have on hand and I always use, because it, I guess, I want to say bulky, it kind of, that I discovered the eyeshadow base part. I'm actually also going to use a stick eye color, which is kind of like a very light brown. I'm going to go over that and use this again and make my eyebrows a bit lighter, and actually draw over my eyebrows with this contour stick. this is for your lips and cheek. It's like kind of a red blush color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here, blend. And there is my simple Winnie look from Hocus Pocus. Probably add a little bit more mascara.